In today's video, I'll show you the quick and easy method to connect your Linksys router to a Wi-Fi extender in just a few simple steps. If your Wi-Fi signal is weak in some rooms, or you're facing slow internet in certain areas, this video will help you fix that problem fast. So make sure you watch till the end. Let's get started. Step 1. Plug in the Wi-Fi extender. Plug the extender into a power outlet near your Linksys router. Wait until the power light becomes solid before moving to the next step. Step 2. Reset the extender if already used. If the extender was used before, press and hold the reset button for 10 seconds. Wait for it to reboot completely before starting the setup. Step 3. Press the WPS button on router. Press the WPS button on your Linksys router. The WPS light will start blinking, which means it's ready to connect. Step 4. Press the WPS button on extender. Within 2 minutes, press the WPS button on the extender. Wait until the light turns solid, indicating successful connection. Step 5. Move the extender to proper location. Unplug the extender and place it halfway between the router and weak signal area. Make sure it still receives a good signal from the router. Step 6. Manual setup if WPS fails. Connect your device to the extender's default network and open the setup page in a browser. Select your main Wi-Fi network, enter the password, and complete the setup. Step 7. Check internet connection. Connect your phone or laptop to the extended Wi-Fi network. Test the internet speed and make sure it is working properly. Step 8. Adjust for best performance. If the signal is weak, move the extender slightly closer to the router. Avoid placing it near thick walls, metal objects, or electronic interference. And that's it! Now you know the quick and easy way to connect your Linksys router to a Wi-Fi extender. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more simple and easy tech tutorials. If you have any questions or face any issues during setup, drop a comment below. I'll definitely help you out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.